Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can manage the sound of the buttons in the Bosch dryer Series 6. So in the first step we have to turn on the dryer and switch the control knob to the cotton, the first position on the right side. Now hold the two ironing button and switch the control knob at the same time to the second position. Okay, one more time. Okay, now if you want to manage the level of the sound, the button sound, switch the control knob to the third position, the synthetics, and now we can manage the level by the delay end button. The number 4 is the highest volume of your buttons, 0 is turn it off, and 1 is lowest volume. Now adjust it to your needs and turn off the appliance to save the settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment and goodbye.